A very pleasant morning to all my dear students. I hope you all must be safe and fine at your home. God bless you, students. Now with the proceeding of the chapter number 1, that is the fun they had. In the previous class, we had discussed point number 3, 4 and 6. So before with the continuations and continuing the 7th point, let us revise those few points. In the previous class, we had seen that Margie always hated school. The reason behind that is that the mechanical teacher used to give her test after test in geography sector. That is why she hates it, and she had been doing worse and worse in that subject. So at last her mother sent for the county inspector. The county inspector was a round little man. He had a red face and a box of tools, and he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He took the television teachers away. Margie hoped that he would know how to set it right. But after 1 hour, it was brought again before her with a big screen. Lessons were shown on the screen and the same questions asked on it. She hated its lot. Margie hated its lot in which she had put it homework. Then she had to write the answer in a punch code. Okay. She had been learning this kind of technique since when she was 6 years old. That is why she became very frustrated to know about this learning. The geography sector actually geared her. She was very weak in geography sector, and he had slowed her that as she was 10 years old, she couldn't be able to pick up or grasp that knowledge. Margie's progress had been quite satisfactory. Okay, so in this way we can say that Margie hated school because of the mechanical teachers putting test after test in geography sector. Now let us start with point number 6, right? 3, 4, 5 we have completed. We are now continuing with the 6th point. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily. Loftily means very superior way. Pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. A man. Could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So in this point, the author wants to tell that Margie hoped that they would take her mechanical teacher away. They had done so to Tommy's for nearly a month. उन्होंने टॉमी के टीचर के साथ लगभग 1 महीने से ऐसा ही किया था. The history sector of Tommy had blanked out. टॉमी का हिस्ट्री पार्ट में नॉलेज बिल्कुल ब्लैंक था. Margie said to Tommy, why anyone would write about the school? What is the reason behind it to write something about school? Tommy told her that it was not their kind of school. Tommy बताता है कि वो उनकी तरह स्कूल नहीं है. That school was different from our school. That was a kind of old schools which they had hundreds and hundreds years ago. बहुत सालों साल पुराने स्कूल हैं. Margie was hurt. She told that she did not know about these schools. मार्गी ने कहा, मुझे तो इस टाइप के स्कूल्स के बारे में कोई नॉलेज नहीं थी, ऐसी भी कोई स्कूल होती थी. She read the book over Tommy's shoulders. She then said that they had a teacher anyway. Tommy replied that it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. It was not a mechanical teacher or robot type of teacher. It was a man. जो पुराने समय में टीचर्स होते थे वो कोई मैकेनिकल टीचर नहीं होते थे, कोई रोबोट नहीं होते थे, बल्कि वो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग होते थे. The teacher told the boys and girls things and gave them classwork as well as homework. He also asked them some questions. Margie told that Tommy, man couldn't be smart enough, isn't it? मार्गी कहती है टॉमी से कि ह्यूमन बीइंग कितना स्मार्ट होगा. बट टॉमी सेड ही वाज सो. नहीं, द मैन वाज आल्सो एज इक्वल स्मार्ट एज आवर मैकेनिकल टीचर. दिस इज देयर. देन वी प्रोसीड टू पॉइंट नंबर 7. अ मैन इजंट स्मार्ट इनफ. श्योर ही इज. माय फादर नोज एज मच एज माय टीचर. He knows almost as much. Bachcha. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. So Tommy told that this teacher or the human being, they used to teach all boys and girls. And they have a special building. And the name of that building is school. Margie was not prepared to dispute this. She said that she shouldn't want a strange man to live in her house and teach her. She doesn't like it that a man will come and teach her. Tommy told Margie that the teachers did not live in the house as the mechanical teachers lived. Teachers did not live. मैकेनिकल टीचर जिस तरह से उनके घर में रहते थे, उनको पढ़ाते थे, बट इन ओल्डन डेज दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क इज नॉट देयर. टीचर्स जो होते थे वो उनके घर में नहीं रहते थे. दे हैड ए स्पेशल बिल्डिंग. उनकी अपनी एक स्पेशल बिल्डिंग होती थी. ऑल द किड्स वेंट देयर. सारे बच्चे उसी बिल्डिंग में जाते थे. एंड दैट बिल्डिंग इज कॉल्ड एज स्कूल. एंड दे लर्न द सेम थिंग. All the kids who were present in that special building, they learned the same thing. And they were of the same age group also. Okay, they were also the same age group. So here we can say that the Tommy told about the old kinds of school as well as the mechanical teacher kind of school what they have. There is a comparison. He told to Margie that how the life of at that time school life was there in comparison to the mechanical life here where they were. So there is a lot of difference in that. So I hope whatever we have discussed in these 2 to 3 points, it must be clear to you. Thank you so much.